Hey guys, no need to fear the blue screen error. We have the solution to get you back on track. Just follow my screen to fix this issue. Click on Advanced Options, select Troubleshoot, then click on Advanced Options. Now select Command Prompt. Now type chkdsk space /f space /r space c : and hit enter. Then we need to wait for some time to complete the process. Once done, move to the next step. Now type c : and hit enter. Now type cd space c : / and hit enter to execute the command. Now type cd space Windows and hit enter to execute the command. Type cd space system32 and simply hit enter. Type in cd space config and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now type md backup and simply hit enter. Now type copy space ** space backup and hit enter. Now type md space backup1 and simply hit enter. Now execute this command carefully. Type in copy space ** space backup1, then simply hit enter to execute the command. Type in cd space regback, then simply hit enter. Now type dir and hit enter. Now execute this command. Type in copy space ** space ... and then hit enter. After that type all and again hit enter to execute the command. Type in bootrec space /fixmbr and hit enter to execute the command. Type bootrec space /fixboot and hit enter. Now type cd space c : / and simply hit enter. Now type cd space Windows /system32 /config /regback and hit enter to execute. Now type this command bcd edit space /exports space c : /bcd backup, then hit enter. Now type cd space c : / and hit enter. Now type this command md space boot and simply hit enter. Now execute this command. Type cd space boot and simply hit enter. Now type md space bcd and simply hit enter. Now type cd space c : / and simply hit enter. Now type attrib space c : -boot -bcd space -h space -r space -s and hit enter to execute. Now execute this command. Type ren space c : /boot /bcd space bcd.old, then simply hit enter to execute this command. And once done, let's move to the next command. Type bootrec space /rebuild bcd and hit enter. Type exit and simply hit enter. Now click on continue. It will restart your system. So that's it guys, your problem is solved and you are good to go.